Hello everyone. In this video, I have brought MCQs on class 7th unit 9. To revise the unit in a snapshot, we have questions from chapter A Bicycle in Good Repair and poem Garden Snake. So without delay, let's see the questions. What did a man propose to the narrator one evening? And the options are that they should do a bicycle race, B, they should go for a long bicycle ride, C, he would repair the narrator's bicycle, or D, the narrator should buy a bicycle. You can mark your answer, note your answer down and tally it later, or you can also match the answer in the comment section. Number 2, I got up early for me. What does this suggest about the narrator? A, he was late riser. B, he got up late that morning. C, he was an early riser. Or D, he slept late so got up late. If you have not seen the explanation video of the chapter, I have given the link in the description box. You can see there. Question number 3. Easily enough in the morning, goes a little stiffy after lunch. Who is the narrator talking about? A, himself. B, his dog. C, his bicycle. Or D, his friend. If you want to see MCQs of other chapter, you can go to the playlist and click MCQs class 7. Question number 4. What is the meaning of whacking? A, shaking. B, barking. C, troubling. Or D, beating. Question 5. Why did the narrator let the man mess with his bicycle even though he wanted to be firm to say no? A, as the man was an expert in bicycle repair. B, the narrator thought that the man knew about bicycle repair. C, the bicycle needed repair. Or D, the man was doing a good job. Question 6. If not, it will make a serious difference to the machine. What does it refers to here? A, the wheel. B, the handle. C, the chain. Or D, the ball bearings. Question number 7. For safety, the narrator put the ball bearings in his pocket. B, his hat. C, his fist. Or D, in a basket. Question 8. As per a friend of narrator, if thing goes wrong with your dash, sell the machine and buy a new one. What should come in the dash? A, chain. B, handle. C, tire. Or D, gear case. Question number 9. You have a right to protect your own machine from ravages of a lunatic. Who is lunatic here? A, the narrator. B, the bicycle. C, the man who came to the narrator's house. Or D, the mechanic. Question number 10. Which of the following is not true? A, the narrator was weak in hurting others' feelings. B, the narrator stopped the man from messing with his machine. C, it was impossible to tell who suffered more, the man or the machine. Or D, it was a tussle between man and machine. Which of the following statement is not true? Next question. Who is the poet of poem Garden Snake? A, Muriel L. Sonnet. B, Peter Dixon. C, Frank Flynn. Or D, DJ Enright. Question number 12. Why was the child scared of the snake? A, as it came to bite him, that means the snake came to bite the child. B, as snakes are always dangerous. C, as people say that some snakes are dangerous. Or D, as he or she, the child that means, was bitten by snake before. Why was the child scared of the snake? Question number 13. What did the child decide to do later? A, to run away every time he or she sees a snake. B, to hit the snake as soon as he sees it. C, to inform his parents. Or D, to just stand there and let the snake pass. Question number 14. What is the meaning of wiggle? Wiggle word is used in the poem. What is the meaning of wiggle? A, to move from side to side in rapid motions. B, to bite instantly. C, to run away. Or D, to make hissing sounds. What is the meaning of wiggle? Question number 15, and this is the last question. What is the rhyming scheme of the poem Garden Snake? A. It's a free verse poem. That means there is no rhyming scheme. B. A B B C C D D. C. A B C D A B C D. This is the rhyming scheme. Or D. It's A B A B A B A B. What is the rhyming scheme of the poem Garden Snake? So these were the questions, students, and answers are here. If you have marked your answer, you can tally them. And do tell and comment how many of the answers did you get right. For more video of MCQs, as I told before, you can click on MCQ playlist and solve the videos of other chapter. And you can also see the description of the chapter in the video which is shared in the description box. Thank you for listening. Bye bye. Take care.